Plants, like everything else on this planet, are energy. When we slow down, get quiet, and tap in, we can hear the messages that plants have to give us. You don't have to be witchy, special, woo-woo, or gifted. You only have to show up with an open heart and ask them to share their wisdom with you. We live busy lives, often racing from one place to the next, walking past the same tree or bush, and never slowing down long enough to appreciate it, let alone hear what it has to say. We buy houseplants and plant gardens and still don't stop long enough to listen. All plants are medicine. They are the life force of this planet, and without them, we would perish. So today I invite you to simply sit with your plants. Sit in your backyard next to the tree you walk past every day, or gently sit inside with your houseplants. Sit in stillness and become aware of what you hear or feel. Give the plant all of your focus. Send it love and visualize it glowing and growing. How does the plant feel? How does it smell? Does an idea drift into your head? Do you feel a specific emotion or hear a message? Do you feel a vague hunch? Does it feel energetic, calming, or nurturing? Ask the plant if it's okay. Is it too dry? Too moist? Is it struggling with pests or an imbalanced soil? Talk to them. Sing to them. And remember, we are all unique, so what you experience with a plant is your own and no one else's. What lavender does for one person might do the opposite for another, and that's okay. So all feelings and intuitive messages are valid. The plant will give you the message that you need to hear. They help us in all different forms, and often just sitting with a plant can bring massive clarity and healing. Some plants you use for tea, some for salve, and some for the powerful healing energy they emit. I'd love to hear your experience with this. Make sure to try it out if you haven't, and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. And if you are seasoned at this practice, I'd love to hear your most profound experience. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!